Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove notification virus like Android or other like that things from your Samsung Galaxy F14. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you try to visit any site or just on your home screen, the spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: by the default system settings and by the antivirus app. So now we're going to start from the first way, by the settings. So go to the apps, then check all of the apps on this list and look for the strange app, the app that you have not installed before. If you see something like that, just click on it, click on install, OK, and that's it. After that, in the second step, go back to the apps and look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Slide down to the storage and choose manage storage. Then tap on the clear all data and click OK. And now your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using Avast for this. You can download and install any other antivirus app, but remember to choose the trusted company. So in the Avast, if you're opening this app for the first time, you have to add permissions to the files, of course, and choose the scan type. I prefer always using the deep scan. Okay, so if you see something like that, just tap on the scan now, big button, and now the scanning process started. And after that, all of the softwares, unwanted softwares, the malwares, viruses shall be deleted from your phone. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.